So what's up guys? Good evening, good evening, good evening. So matagal ako nawala. So again, hindi muna ako magpo-post ng mga vlog ko kasi malapit na yung exam nyo. Okay? Ano yung nag-motivate sa akin? Okay, na mag-stop muna ng mga vlogging videos at mag-post ng mga review questions and answers about Napolcom. Kasi guys, may nag-comment, may dalawang nag-comment sa akin which is na-motivate ako kahit dalawa lang pero pumasas daw sila dahil sinagutan nila yung mga Q&A dito sa YouTube channel ko na ina-upload. Okay? Yun yung weapon nila, yun yung nagbigay ng confidence sa kanila na yung mga idea, no, nung yung mga question yung mga uh, question construction guys, yun yung binaon nila guys, no, at saka nanood sila ng libre dito sa channel na to. So nakakataba ng puso. So tapos na, well done, pumasa ka na, pumasa na kayo, congratulations and good luck sa next journey nyo, ang pag-a-apply ng police. Okay, so from now I will stop muna uploading about blog, you know, personal blog. I will upload first about this review about Napolcom kasi malapit na yung Napolcom exam nyo this coming June 4, 2024 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so again we have, okay, this is the part 2 of our general information. Okay, general information. Okay, in general information we have saglit. Okay, so in general information we have in this Q&A questions. Sa general information meron tayong Philippine Constitution and History, PNP Law and History, Criminal Justice System, Current Events, and Social Awareness and Value Judgment. So sa current events guys, hindi ko to mabibigay sa 2024 o 2023, previous years to sa current events, no, hindi to ngayong taon or even last year. Okay, so may mga last year but hindi to pinaka latest. Okay, so 10 items tayo guys ha, Q&A. Okay, kung gusto mong mag-theory ano yung Philippine Constitution and History, ano yung PNP Law and History, then mali ka ng pinasukan because this channel is all about magpa-practice kayo paano nyo sagutan yung mga katanungan na related sa question and answer sa Napolcom examination. So kung gusto mo pa ng mga theories, then maghanap ka na ng ibang channel. Okay, this channel is all about to practice you, to give you some idea paano sila gumawa ng questions, no. So without anything, let's go guys. Okay, first question natin, nakikita nyo ba? Excuse me po. Ay, sobrang laki naman. Okay. Okay. So part 2 na to guys ha ng ating Q&A questions. So it is also known as Philippine microsatellite. Okay, at ito yung first na Philippine microsatellite. Okay, so ano yung pangalan? Diyosa 1, Encantadia 1, Diwata 1, or Marikit 1. Okay, so lumabas din ito sa LET, Licensure Examinations for Teacher. Itong katanungan na to, Diwata 1, Marikit 1, Encantadia 1, Diyosa 1. Okay, so number 2, according to the 1982 United Nations Convention, the law of sea exclusive economic zone shall comprise of how many nautical miles? Okay, so ilang nautical miles daw, no? Okay, so number, okay, kung sobrang mabilis guys, so please post nyo lang. Okay, post nyo lang. Okay, so yung hinahanap natin dito is yung how many nautical miles. Ito yung tinatanong. Okay, how many nautical miles. Okay, so for number 13, he is the president of the Philippines who became chief of the Philippine Constabulary or Constabulary. Okay, sino daw yung presidente ng Pilipinas na naging chief of Philippine Constabulary? Okay, again, patay na to siya guys ha. Okay, hindi to siya, patay na to siya. At another hint, he is the Philippine 2000. Okay, kung alam nyo kung sino yung the Philippine 2000, then alam nyo kung sino yung sagot. Okay, again, naging presidente ng Pilipinas na chief of the Philippine Constabulary. Okay. A. Emilio Aguinaldo, Fidel Ramos, Manuel Rojas, Rodrigo Duterte. Okay. So, National Capital Region Office motto. Okay, National Capital Region Police Office motto. So, ano yung motto nila? Okay? So, ano yung motto nila sa National Capital Region Police Office? Okay, so yung motto. So, letter A, save lives and property. B, serving the people, securing the land for our country, we will give all. We care, we dare. Or D, by skill and virtue we triumph. Okay, so motto. Okay, number 15 tayo. Who is the new speaker of the House Representative? Okay, so yung yung speaker of the House Representative ngayon, sino? Okay, bonus na to guys ha, wala dito sa tanong. I mean, wala dito sa choices. Pero sa ngayon, okay, at the present, okay, so it's a bonus, no? So who is the new speaker of the House of the Representative at this time? Last year to, si Harry Roque. So at the present, okay, so sa Duterte time, si Harry Roque ba yun? O, nakalimutan ko. But for today, for today's year, no, si Martin Romualdez. Okay, so bonus tong number 15. Sino yung House Speaker Representative? Si Martin Romualdez. Okay, so bonus to number 15. So okay, so next question, number 16. Which of the following officials cannot remove by impeachment proceeding? Okay, cannot remove by impeachment proceeding. Okay, so letter A, President. Member of Constitutional Commission. B, members of Supreme Court. D, members of Senate. E, none of the above. Okay, so sino daw, which of the following officials cannot remove by impeachment proceeding? Okay, so number 17 tayo. Lowest award in the Philippine National Police. Ano daw yung lowest award? Medalya ng paglilingkod or PNP Service Medal, medalya ng papuri, PNP Commendation Medal, medalya ng kagitingan or PNP Medal of Valor, medalya ng kabayanihan or PNP Distinguished Conduct Medal. So ano yung pinakamababang award in PNP? Okay, pinakamababang level of awards. Okay, so now let's continue. 18, 19, 20. Okay, i-post nyo lang guys. Okay, 18, 19, 20, i-post nyo lang. Okay, i-post nyo at ito na po yung sagot. So again, for items 18, 19, 20, i-post nyo lang. Ito na po yung sagot kasi hanggang 10 minutes lang tayo. Number 15 guys, bonus yon kasi sa 2024 si Romualdez. Okay, so count the items guys, ilan yung nakuha nyo and comment nyo. Maraming salamat guys and please subscribe. May next item tayo guys sa next upload. Goodbye, subscribe.